everybody, I'm Christine Danchuk, and I'm here today with Sara. She's our production manager. And for those of you that don't know, we have our annual blem sale that's coming up September 18th. And so Sarah's going to tell us a little bit about that and the parts that are available.
Hello, my name is Sara. We have been working real hard to have this part ready for the blend sale. This is high quality. It's only very small pieces, small little things, but this is original for us. You know, like we have a real good quality control. If you see this problem, you can barely see right here. For us, this is a blem, but this is perfect. This is a jewelry for you guys.
So it's good because you can still, if you're doing a car that's just an everyday drive, I mean, you won't even really notice it. And I think it would be great for something like that.
Yes. It's very good quality.
Oh, and then so we have this part too here.
Yeah, we have some different parts already packaged for you guys, and it's gonna be ready for September 18th.
And so like with this one here too, if I'm looking at it and I can't even tell where the imperfection is with this one. So yeah, so
you can barely see, you know, the little bits around. It's a perfect part.
Yeah, so like if you're using your car for an everyday driver, like this would be perfect. If it's not show quality car, but still, when I look at it, it still looks great. So for those of you that use your car on a daily basis, it's great for a daily driver car. And so anyways, I just want to let you guys know too, thank you, Sara. Thank you for letting us know about these blend parts. And so it is September 18th, and remember there's a limited quality, so you're going to want to call right at 7 or be here at Danchuk. And also there's terms and conditions too, because it is limited quality. So we'll see you at the blend sale, and have a great day.
Bye-bye.